Smile evening, friends. We all know that our Madam Bhupinder Kaur, our Guru Ma, is the master and gold qualified authorized lecturer in International Sujok Association. From 3rd October to 11th October, there is a class that is Sujok Level 2 in Sujok Global Platform with the certification. Level 2 means this deals with the Meridian Suzuki. If anybody would like to join the course, you can please contact General Chadda sir. Or if you already completed the course and if you fail to revise the session, you can, there is a chance to revise the session. So for that also, you can contact General Chadda sir. And another thing, you know the basics, but you don't have an ISS certification. If so, also there is a chance you can go through the class, but without certification. Okay. For that also, you will get all the details from General Chadda sir.
I didn't say.
He is the coordinator. He is the coordinator of Madam Bhupinder Kaur. That's it. So he will control everything and he will give the guidelines. You can contact him for this course. This is a very wonderful session. Actually, in Sujok Global Platform, the Sujok Association will conduct this course with a specified syllabus. And this syllabus is conducted from 3rd October to 11th October. If you want from the basics to the maximum, you can join that course and you can undergo that course. And with this, all the busy schedule, Madam is agreed with the Joshi's Kerala group to give this seed therapy series session. Today, day 3 for this special session. You will get everything from this seed therapy. Now, with a very big smile on our face and our heart, we can invite Madam Bhupinder Kaur to this platform. Smile evening, ma'am. Welcome. We are awaiting to hear from you. Smile evening. Smile.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Lalita madam. I never expected all these, introduction, but so nice of you. Thank you so much. Thank you.
This is our privilege for this Joshi Kerala group, ma'am. You are here with us. Thank you.
Thank you so much. So, seed therapy. Again, back to our simple topic, seed therapy, though it is very simple topic, but at the same time, very powerful topic. We should not underestimate the power of seeds. Here, I would like to mention, though you know, but still I would like to mention one point. Seed is part of living being world. And when we say living being, it means living being world. When we focus this living being, this living being have soul, mind, body, and life. So plant world, again, we can meditate that plant world has soul, mind, body, and life. Plant world has intelligence. That is why you see that one seed creates perfect plant, perfect tree, beautiful shape of flower, leaves, colors, fruits. What is this? This is intelligence. Yes, very deep, good intelligence is there in seed, because seed is the source of plant. So seed has this beauty. When we say intelligence, in tri-origin, this intelligence is part of mind world. So when we talk about mind, then mind is very well recognized with emotions, intelligence. So we cannot ignore this emotional part. So seeds also have emotions. For example, like I give water to my plants every day in my balcony. Yes. And if I go out somewhere for a few days, for 10 days, or 2 weeks, 3 weeks, and I give this task to someone that now in my absence, you give water to my plants. So what happens, because when I am watering my plant, I'm full of love, full of smiles, and very good interaction I have with plants. So plants are smiling, very good color, green color, fragrance of flowers. But in my absence, another person is watering the plant. Plants are alive, but they are not very bright, not this wither. And some plants die also. What is the message then? What is the message? That plants have emotions. Also, many scientists have done experiment on plants. Google is full of this information. Chant mantras or playing good music, talking joyful and in front of plants. So what happens? Plants are shining with bright energy. You can see the impact of your emotions on the plant. But when you use negative words, negative vibration, plant energy droops down. So we should absorb this sense that plants are very sensitive to your emotions. That is why seed therapy with smile meditation, you can understand, or with smile emotion. Now, this is seed therapy box. Yes. So how you interact with these seeds, especially, when you keep these seeds in your clinic or on your clinical table, many patients come in your clinic, they are radiating pain, they are with sadness, anxiety, they have all kinds of, painful vibrations. Now you can understand seeds, these seeds are very sensitive to these emotions and vibrations. And you can imagine the life force, how this life force is working inside the seed. So means painful atmosphere, sad vibration, negative thoughts have great impact on your seeds. And then when you apply this seed on the correspondent point, the interaction between this seed and the correspondent point is very weak, because seed has now this kind of energy. So sometimes people say that I just apply one seed and I see very good miraculous result. And sometimes they apply many seeds, still no result. Why? 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 Now you can understand. Means that first thing is we have to send a lot of smile vibrations, prayers, meditations, chanting. And if you are not doing chanting, doesn't make difference, but inside your mind, how are you? Are you feeling good? When you are treating with seeds, see? Now, seed, when I'm applying on the point, therapist mind, doctor's mind, what is the level of mind in that time is very, very important. So, Professor Park Chewu always used to say that you have to become a smiler, not just a doctor. Seeds have soul, mind, body, and life. So sometimes when you put seed on wrong point also, this kind of miracle also you see in your practice. Many times students say, oh, I did wrong treatment, but I got the result. How it is happening? Because of smile and smile intention. Yes. So because seed has soul, seed has his spirit. So when you are with smile vibrations, happy vibration, this one seed can do miracle in your life. So when you are doing treatment for yourself, especially when people say, I can treat people, but I cannot treat myself. Why? You can understand. Seed. For example, I'm a patient. Also, I'm a doctor. And in present moment, I want to treat myself. I have pain. I have physical pain and I have mental pain. And now I want to treat this disease. You know that seed will quickly absorb your vibrations and will transfer to your point. And what is happening? No result. No result. So, first important lesson in the world of seed therapy is keep your spirits very high. Smile more. And if in that moment smile is not coming, now here sometimes people misunderstand. Smile is not just a lip corner going up. How you are feeling inside, feeling of perfection, calm, peaceful. This is also one quality of smile. It is not just sometimes lips are smiling, but inside feeling pain and a lot of stress inside, but lips are smiling. This is not real smile. This is, I say, this is social smile, or we can say this is fake smile. So maybe externally your lip smile is not expressed, but when you hold patient hand and you do seed therapy, deep breathing, and connect to your inner source, soul sense, even your lips are not smiling. Concentrate on the point because mind world also expresses intention, mind world, emotions, intention. Both things are important. Seed will quickly absorb your intention. This is the power of mind. We have mind and our mind also has all these beauties. But we can express our intention. Seed cannot express, but seed can understand and absorb your intention. So miracles are taking place with some therapists and some therapists. No result. Intention, emotion, we have to focus this. Smile, smile. So now one point I wanted to convey, this point I wanted to convey that you have to, that is why Professor Park Jae-woo gave a lot of importance to smile meditation so that you can reach the neutral state. So smile means reaching the neutral state. Now, today I will give you some practical demonstration that how you can use seeds in few diseases. Also, one more thing I want to say, that when you use seeds, you have to make sure that seeds are bright and shining. Seeds are of good quality, because you see, when seeds are of good quality, treatment result is very good. You have to always check your seed box. Yes, is this seed shrink, or has some deformity? So you have to remove those seeds. And if seed is dead and shrink or deformed, then neighbor seeds also, can receive that kind of energy. So you have to be very, very particular with your seed box. Yes, you have to keep checking that. Oh, yes, all seeds are good. And then you see this box, you should never keep your seeds in, tight or covered box, because seeds are breathing. Soul, mind, body, life means breathing. So seeds are breathing, plant world is breathing. So circulation is continuously happening with the environment. So it is also very important that our seeds should interact with the environment. And because of this, life force remains active. When you keep seeds in airtight container where there is no air circulation, then seed energy reduces. Okay. So when seeds are dead or alive, or we can say seeds having active life force, how you can check? For example, when you put these seeds in the water, good quality seeds will sink down and bad quality seeds will float on the top of the water. So we can understand that these floating seeds are not of good quality. Yes, so we have to again take care that seeds of good quality, don't use poisonous seed also. Then when you use these seeds, seeds can stay with good power after application on the point. It can stay for 24 hours, though we advise sometimes that, okay, remove seeds after 6 hours or 8 hours. It is just because for the convenience of the patients. But you can also keep these seeds for 24 hours, because seeds can seeds can stay alive until 24 hours. And after that, we should not reuse these seeds. And in last lecture, I introduced that seeds with sprouting quality. You can see this. Sprout? Yes. These seeds are very powerful, though they can stay alive for around 6 hours, because seed without sprouting can stay for 24 hours, but these sprout seeds can stay alive for 6 hours. And now in this time, seeds have very active life force. Actually, life force is always there inside the seed, but in this condition, in sprout, when seed is in sprouting condition, so life force is very active in this moment. Means if person has any chronic disease, then very good to use this kind of seed, and then better to change after 4 to 5 hours, replace. Okay, and then you continue this process for a long time. So according to 6 key, this kind of seed has wind energy. Yes, wind energy. And also this kind of seed has rejuvenation power, means if organ has reached, organ has deformity, or organ has some chronic disease, degenerative process. In that situation, when we apply this seed on the correspondent point, we can, because of similarity principle, this active life force is transmitted to that disease point, and it can bring great change. I will show how to put. Yes. Then, okay, let me show now. Practically, I will show just now, and then we will discuss more. So I will share my camera. Moment, please. So, sharing my camera. Yeah. Yes, it is there. So these seeds, all sprouted seeds, you can see these seeds. Now in this time, life force is very active, very active. So I love to use these seeds on insect system. And you see, for example, and today, after a few examples, I will give short introduction of insect system, because last time I gave introduction of basic system, and you need to know insect system. So short and sweet introduction I will give about insect system so that you can start using. So for example, if person has liver disease, chronic liver disease. So according to system, insect system, now where is the liver point? Let's say this is liver point. Chronic liver disease. Yes, and according to finger system, we have liver points here in all fingers, liver points. So what we have to do? Last time I told that you should find the painful point. Yes. So massage, then finding the painful point. You have to keep all these points in your mind before doing seed therapy, because when we are fixing seed on the real painful point, we can create electromagnetic waves. Yes, this kind of waves reaches to the disease area and can heal that part. But if we apply seed on the wrong point, there is no side effect, but we cannot produce strong current, strong electromagnetic waves. So why I say this? Because you cannot just apply randomly. One seed sometimes on correct point, you can see very good result. So let's say I have point here. After finding the point, massaging nicely, yes, and simple way is to press, release, or you can do this, scratching type of massage also, like this, zigzag. And when this skin becomes warm, in that time, we can fix the seat. Yeah, this is good enough, small tape. This seat on this point. Okay. Now you can mark with green color. You can mark with green color, and then on this point, fix this one seat. What you have to do, your work is not finished. Yes. Now you can tell your patient, because you have to keep these seeds will not stay for a long time. That is why if you can bring this kind of system in your clinic, for example, sprouting, and this again, this is a new work, but if you can maintain, if you have good, if you have kitchen, you can in your clinic, some place where you can do this sprouting work, it is very good. So now you have to tell your patient that after every 5 hours, or you can say after every 4 hours, change and then fix new seed. Throw this, and then on the same point, because you have a mark here, your patient can do very easily, because you have put mark. This mark is for your patient. And then next, the seed on the same point. Continue this process. Continue this process. Of course, during sleeping time, cannot do, but you can continue. And the next day also, you can continue on the same point. So we will not leave that point. This is, I'm telling you from my experience, we will not. Why sometimes, again, I want to say that, like when therapists are doing treatment, they always try to, next day patient is coming, they try to change the point, because maybe they will say, oh, now I find point here, sometimes here, another day here. Better you work hard first day, try to reach the main point, try to reach the correct point, and then follow that point. Follow that point. And the next day also, because that mark is there, so you can tell your patient that you, again, you can, put mark with a good light color green pen, so that it doesn't, it is doesn't become color therapy. Our aim is not color therapy. It is just for our marking point of view. And then you can follow this seed. Like if person has any problem, like especially for all chronic cases, this seed has power of creation. This seed has power of rejuvenation, and this seed has power of A, O, A. According to Triorigin, we say creation mantra. So when our purpose is to create this creational vibration, A, O, A, then this seed is very good. In 6 key, when you have wind tonification target, on the wind point of that meridian, you can apply this seed. Like here, people, those who know 6 key, let's say liver cirrhosis, fatty liver, or degenerative process in the liver, then where is the wind point of liver meridian? For example, here, yes, this is the wind point of liver meridian. All chronic cases actually, even if you don't know 6 key point and you just have an idea of meridian, then on the inside, all these distal joints have wind point. So liver meridian, wind point. Liver weak, any situation, degenerative situation. This is the wind point, and same procedure you can do here. Now you see these seeds are active only for 4 hours. You can replace wind point, 6 key treatment, and then change after 4 or 5 hours. So this beauty we can see in sprouted seeds, especially I like this sprouts very much. Then also we can use, all seeds which have germination power, which have germination or sprouting beauty. Not only this, you can use all kinds of seeds which has this beauty. Yes. And then next thing I want to tell about ginger. Ginger, again, part of plant world. This ginger can use in many diseases. So digestion problem and gas, bloating, also constipation. And ginger also can reduce the inflammation. Where is the inflammation? In lung, we can apply ginger on lung points. So if you are using basic system, yes, you can, let's use ginger on basic system. For example, person has some infection or inflammation. Yes. On the lung points, this is lung area. And according to the size of this correspondent zone, we can cut 2 pieces. 1. And 2 pieces. Now we need broad tape. Now this ginger you can use in many diseases. First, let's say lung. All inflammation, you can use ginger. So in basic system, lung area is big. Lung area is big. So this is lung area. And you can fix after doing good massage. So this is artistic work. Actually, when you're doing on your patient hand, you can do it more neatly. And I'm doing now with one hand. Like this. But before this, it is very good that you do massage. And if disease is very chronic, before applying ginger, very chronic, I'm talking about chronic, then before applying ginger, you can do moxa also. And in acute, you can do without moxa, you can apply ginger. So this application is on the points of lungs. And digestion issue, yes, bloating, and a very important point I want to say, to reduce belly fat in insect system. Okay, let me quickly introduce finger system. We can see very quick glimpse, because then you will enjoy, because we have very few participants. Those who have not done insect system. So let me share. Just a moment, please. And if one participant is not understanding, then this is not joyful class. So I want to introduce finger system quickly. And then maybe tomorrow you will get full video on finger system. Okay. So just a moment. Okay. Now, because insect system is also very vast, we cannot cover in a few minutes insect system, or we can say finger therapy. Now I'm not going into history, just want to convey that how you can apply seeds on fingers. General idea. This is finger. And when I introduce one finger, it means all fingers have same points. Now, when we see the body, so this body has 3 levels: top level, middle level, and lower level. So like sky, earth, and middle area where we are existing, middle. Yes. So we have 3 levels. Finger also has 3 levels. Very easily you can understand that which part of finger is interacting with the head, chest, or abdomen. So only thing is that you have to see finger in this direction, fingertips facing the sky. Okay. So now you can understand that if person has any head disease, so this is like top floor, we can say top floor. This is the area to treat head diseases. Neck, this part, neck, this line is treating neck diseases. So this line means all kinds of neck diseases. Finger system points are contracted. In basic system, you saw that neck area, that was big area, but in finger system, small area can cover all kinds of neck diseases. That is why in cuff, if after finding the painful points on all fingers, on the target point, we can apply black pepper. Let's see the hand also. Just a moment. So means each finger, top area, this is corresponding to face. Face. So all face diseases, upper phalange. Neck disease. So all these distal joints are corresponding to neck diseases. Only thing is, if you're treating front problem, then we are working on the yin side of the hand. And if you're working on the yang side, back, then you have to turn your finger and we will see nail area. Okay, nail area. Back view. back view. Yes. Now chest, lung, heart, lung, heart. So middle phalange will have lung and heart point. Okay, so it means all middle phalange of all these 8 fingers are corresponding to your lung. So when I say that person has some chest congestion, means you have to focus here. Like ginger application, where you will fix this, in which area, even if you don't know that complete Sujok, but just try this remedy and see the result. So this area, you can choose after massaging the finger. Then I like to use, for example, if you don't know which finger and where is the painful point, from beginner point of view, you can choose this one. Because this finger, according to tri-origin, has hetero character. Hetero means quick change. So quick change. So for beginner, you can use, all fingers actually have great powers, but I'm talking from beginner point of view. You can use this finger, and then another day you can use this finger. So you see this ginger piece, you have to cut according to the size, and you can fix here. So when you cut ginger in such a manner that it takes the shape of lungs, and you can paste with the help of paper tape, you can fix this ginger here. After massaging, ginger. Not only ginger, in cold and cough, application of garlic is equally good. This I will show. First, let's finish this. Now, abdomen. This is abdomen. Means lower phalange, all digestive problem, liver, stomach. See, it is exactly because Sujok is based on the similarity principle. So all points are located in same manner. Exactly same. That application of ginger piece is very good for reducing belly fat. So this piece, after doing good massage, you can paste here, but don't forget to upgrade your lifestyle, walking, exercise, and taking care of your food. Yes, if your mission is to reduce fat. You see, some people, they do a lot of dieting. They do a lot of exercise and walking, but still their belly fat is not reducing because body is not absorbing, or body is not receiving what you are giving. So it means all organs also, we have to uh, give energy to internal organs, metaphysical energy. We have to activate metaphysical energies of internal organ, and Sujok is activating metaphysical energy. So with all those lifestyle uh, tips, add this tip also. Now here, same, we have stomach, spleen, pancreas. Tomorrow I will send insect system related video. Gallbladder and intestine. Idea is simple. Top phalange is interacting with the face. This line is interacting with the neck, and middle phalange with the chest, and lower phalange with your digestive organs, and also ovaries ovaries, uterus, and prostate gland point, and bladder point. The point is here in your body, exactly just like your body. Okay. And back view, when you see back view, and then after this, I will show how to do practical part. Back view. So back of finger, nail side. See, nail is hard. So representing your scalp, neck zone, and this part. 1 point can treat your cervical. And here is your exact middle line is your spine. So this is spine area and kidney points in this area. Okay. Now, once you have understood this, now we'll see practical. Shading a camera. Let's say patient has cold, cough. This garlic is very good. You can see result very quickly. Garlic, if you keep it for, it depends actually on patient's skin. Sometimes patient's skin is very sensitive. So he cannot, because of this sensitivity, he cannot tolerate for more than, 2 hours or 3 hours. It is okay. You can tell him if you feel a little bit itchy, you can remove. But if you can keep for 6 hours, it is very good. Now, see, slice. We need to cut this. Don't remove this outer peel cover. Also, don't remove this pale. And see the tail down. Juicy part will touch the skin. Juicy part. So, fold and cuff. Now, insect system, finger system. This middle phalanx is representing your chest. You can do good massage. You can do ring massage. You can do, this is just massage. Here I'm not finding painful point, because when we are finding the painful point, then we have to go, like you should keep probe in vertical position like this. But here, when our mission is to apply garlic, then you can do, massage, not here, here. You do massage. Nice massage. And now change of season. I see many people having cold cough. Yes. So it is very good that you take immediate action. As soon as you feel little glimpse of cold, nice massage. Why I am demonstrating? So that, you do it exactly and you see the change, you see the result. Nice massage. At least for 2 minutes or 3 minutes you can give. And in cold situation also you can, do moksa. Once skin is warm, yes, then you can fix this garlic with the help of, this is paper tape, JMS company. So juicy part will touch the skin. And we can take small size, because according to the size of your correspondence area, you can take this small also, but right now, okay, I'm taking this size and fix it like this. And keep this for at least 6 hours maximum also you can keep. Or you can do this garlic therapy before sleeping, and next day morning you can remove and then wash your hand with warm water. And you will see sometimes sputum will come out, yes, or maybe you're coughing, because you know your system will throw all these toxins. So don't worry if you have, after this application, if you see sputum coming out or coughing is increased, no problem. But after that, you will get very good relief, very good relief. So this is how I have done garlic on the lung points. And uh, if person has, next day, if you see 60 percentage, this disease symptoms are removed, and 40 percentage left, 30 percentage left. So you can do this garlic therapy on the middle finger, middle phalanx, because we have to give rest to the skin. This garlic juice can create itchiness on the skin. So you can change the finger. Okay. Now, this garlic also you can use in a correspondence area of stomach. Again, this garlic and ginger, these plants have medicinal property. And like garlic, I wanted to tell about belly fat. Now, this garlic, according to the size of the correspondence area, see, and gastric problem, bloating problem, digestion problem, again, massage and fix it here and cover it with the paper tape. And you can remove next day, keep it for 6 hours, 10 hours. It depends. If your skin can take it, yes, no itchiness, then you can keep it whole night also, no problem. And next day you can remove. Yes, like this. So this ginger is, as I told you, very good in constipation also. Yes, constipation. In basic system, this is the area of large intestine. Yes, so you can massage first in clockwise direction, because clockwise energy is flowing in clockwise direction like this. And then you can fix garlic in this area. One piece here, then here, according to the size. You can use insect system also, no problem, but it is very good that feel the beauty of all systems. Like this. And then one piece here, second piece. third piece, fourth piece, fifth piece. After doing good massage, chronic constipation before ginger application, do moxa. Okay, do moxa. And same thing you can also do on your insect system. But in insect system, we need small piece. So this will cover your small intestine and also large intestine, because small intestine is here and large intestine. It will cover this again with the help of pipetting. And very good combination of heat and dryness, because small intestine here it represents heat energy, and large intestine represents dryness energy. According to Axis law, if one organ is suffering, then it is very good idea to treat uh, both organs. Okay, moxa. The next time I will share moxa therapy in detail. Okay, so now, because I need to bring candle and matchbox, lighter. Next time there is a message in the chat box. So I just saw. Okay. Now, according to I wanted to show one very important seed. You see, this is lemon, and inside this is lemon seed. This seed again has wind energy, very powerful wind energy, and also rejuvenating energy. So this lemon seed, fresh, actually, if you use fresh seed, but again, it is not possible in the clinic, but at least for yourself, you can do this. So don't throw these lemon seeds. You can use on your energy points. You can use on the points of, chronic diseases, points related to chronic diseases, and also for rejuvenation, lemon seed in this area. When you do energy point, also you do one seat on this area. So after doing good massage, so lemon seed for rejuvenation. You can fix here, like that center. Yes. So this lemon seed you can use on those correspondence points which needs wind energy or rejuvenation power. Yes. So then I want to show this flow. So you have to master this main system, insect system at least. There are many systems, but yes, I also wanted to tell that as per like partial systems, this heel area has very good points of that stomach, liver, very good points. So back of heel also, let's say this is heel area. And after doing good massage, here you can fix a size according to the area. So this is small, just to give you an idea. You can paste this ginger here in this stomach area. Or if person has liver disease, then you can paste big piece of liver. Only thing is that these points are very good, but we need, because this area is big, so we need big pieces of ginger or ginger or garlic. And then clove. Clove. Again, very good for coughing. Yes. Sour throat, sore throat, sore throat and coughing. Now, according to finger system, all these points are throat points. Yes, all these points are throat points. So you can check which point is more painful. For example, after checking, I found here. So massage this area and then you can fix clove here. For coughing. For coughing, black pepper is also very good. So I love to use black pepper in main system, in basic system, black pepper, or you can also do on finger system. But in my habit for coughing, I like to use black pepper on the basic system after doing good massage. According to basic system, throat point is here. And one clove seed. Also, you can fix this clove in mini system. Actually, mini system I have not touched. Mini system means in the small area, we have points of body, full body. But here you can just take a tip. This is the lung area. You can take index finger and near your thumb. So because this side also, finger has this side and two sides. 1, 2. So you just focus the area, the side which is near the thumb. In left hand, near the thumb, you will find lung point, near the joint. Yes, so here, cold cough and cold. Again, massaging. You can fix this clove here. Coughing, and it is very good for coughing, and also it is very good for respiratory system. Then also garlic, because if you know now, this is the point of lung. Garlic also, now because this area is very small, so you can cut it in the cube form and then here in the lung point, you can fix like this. So cold cough, actually, it comes together sometimes. So this is coughing and this is for lung, healing lung, and this is for coughing. Yes. And also one more seed. Oh, we can also use crushed clove. Crushed. This is crushed clove. Again, same thing, but crushed. So very good for throat. Very good for throat. So you have another seed which can help you in coughing. So show. This is crushed clove. Some pieces are small, big, no problem. And this is a mixture. Crushed is also there and full clove is also there. So after doing good massage on the throat point, you can fix this. Like this. And then better you keep whole night and remove next day morning. Okay. And then one more seed, like you see, red chili seed. This seed has very good hetero power, or we can say fire energy, fire energy. Again, we use this kind of seed in all chronic diseases. So now here, we have to take out seeds. Chili seed. In 6 key, as I told you, if you're using wind tonification on meridian, then this seed is very good. And heat tonification, so heat point of meridian, you can use this seed. Red chili seed in 6 key. Now people, those who know 6 key, they will catch this idea on the heat point, or like if you want to tonify heat or circulation in the liver, this is heat point. And in correspondence area, of course, yes. Now these seeds are not very hard, so it will not give pressure. Hard seed, dense seed can create pressure. So seeds have, like when we are using seeds in our clinical practice, we have two purpose. One is to give pressure, and second is to absorb energy or the properties of the seed. So this seed I'm using from property consciousness. So this seed has, again, because you see the seed is of chili, red chili. So this seed can create red chili. So now you understand that you can use this seed because the property of this seed has hetero power or fire power. So in all chronic cases, you can use this. So when you are treating chronic cases, because now you have to treat for a few days, better we use variety of seeds. For example, one day, or let's say, like I told you about liver point, follow that point for 3 to 4 days. You just follow that point using this green lentils, sprouted seeds, and then give rest or choose new finger, and then you can also do this hetero power. You can use this hetero power seed or red chili seed to increase heat. Or heat is not just fire, it is like in 6 key we say that it is also related to circulation. Yes, and circulation is everywhere in your body. There is blood circulation in liver, stomach, spleen, all organs. Actually, nervous system and circulatory system is present everywhere. Directly, it is participating in all parts of your body. So when I say circulatory system, it is not just heart or the correspondence area of heart. Circulation means everywhere. You prick this point, blood will come out. It means circulation, blood is there. So, and blood carries nutrient and oxygen. So if organ is sick, and since many years, it means we have to give good oxygen, nutrients, using this circulation criteria. Sometimes we give very healthy food, but again, we are putting healthy food inside our body, but circulation is not good. Absorption is not there. So it will not work. These red chili seed we can use in all chronic problems. Let's say liver. So you can fill up more, you can use more seeds. Very soft, but power, hetero power is very strong in these seeds. Like this. Yes. Like this. Not only on liver, but you can use for all chronic cases, even knee pain. Yes, knee pain or circulation problem in heart, low blood pressure, low because it is like fire, hetero power is there. Yes, wherever you feel the lack or deficiency of circulation or hetero power, you can use these seeds, red chili seeds. Yes, nose blockage after doing good massage, and nose blockage, clockwise massage is working. Sometimes without applying seeds, you do clockwise massage on the nose points and nose opens, clockwise massage. And then fixing black pepper also is working very efficiently on the nose point. So now when you see this seed box, you have to prepare your seed box like this. Okay? So fenugreek seeds, mostly we are using on the yang surface because we have less fat flesh on the yang side, bony area. So this seed, these fenugreek seeds are stable and will not roll on the yang side. But when you use black pepper on the yang side, see, it will not stay. So this seed is very good. Though even though you are using paper tape, but sometimes these round seeds move very quickly, can move. Yes. So very good to use fenugreek seeds on the yang side. Like I told you, cervical problem, minimum seeds. Actually, one seed is enough, but this is surrounding area, 2 seeds. So after checking the point, the person has cervical, checking all junctions, wherever is the painful point, stay there, massage there, and then just 3 fenugreek seeds are good enough. And like use of kidney beans. Again, we have to select shining black color. I think I already introduced in my last session. Kidney bean seed. Buckwheat seed. Kuttu ke seeds. Kuttu. Buckwheat seeds. So these buckwheat seeds has dryness energy. Inflammation also, like according if we are using with 6 key consciousness. So if person has hetero kind of disease or fire, where you feel fire, you can use this seed, buckwheat seed, like in high blood pressure. We prefer buckwheat seed on the brain points. Use sometimes all fingers. In emergency, sometimes we are using all fingers, 3 to 4 seeds, or high when the blood pressure is high, all brain points. Actually, in acute cases, don't massage for a long time because hetero condition. So After finding the painful point, don't massage so much, and sometimes don't need to massage also. Headache. Finding painful point is very good actually, but in some situations, acute diseases, better we don't massage for a long time. Then you can cover all fingertips like this with buckwheat seed. Migraines, headaches, BP is very high. If you are not using all fingers, then thumb and index finger. First choice, thumb, brain points, and index finger, fingertip. Yes, so very good to use these. Okay. So you see these seeds, sometimes we take it for granted. Actually, condensed form of energy is there in this seed. Very powerful energy is there. So as I told you that your intention should be very clear in your mind that why you're using these seeds. Actually, seeds, you should not have fear while you're using the seeds, because sometimes you think that, oh, I don't know in which disease, which seed. Yes. In that moment, you can, choose the seed with your intuition power, because I told you that seed has soul, mind, body, and life. So seed sometimes catches your intention. That vibration is always there. Seeds are very, very sensitive to your vibrations, very sensitive mental vibrations. So you don't have fear. But if we are using with the 6 key consciousness, seed knows that now you are doing wind tonification, you are doing heat tonification. So why? Because seed also can change its mind. It's mind according to your mind messages. So don't have fear while you're using seed. So I am looking chat box also. Let me see your chat. Or you can open your, let's have question answer session.
One person asking for showing that buckwheat seed in soup.
You want to
I
see
think it is better you can post a picture in the group, ma'am.
Yes, I will send picture. If you can see. Can you see this now, my hand? I will post picture also. So this seed, actually, you see buckwheat seed has triangular shape. And it is sharp, pointed. It also works like acupuncture. Sharp and pointed. When you type in Google buckwheat, you will see the picture. Also, I will send the picture. Okay. So last few minutes, questions. If you have any question. Okay, I will tell.
Smile friends, you can raise your hand electronically, then I will give the permission to unmute. Thank you.
Hello. Hello. Ma'am, can you hear me?
Yes, Manjushri, we can hear you.
Okay. So, ma'am, you are saying hetero condition. What do you mean by hetero condition?
I cannot hear your voice.
Ma'am, what is hetero condition? You are saying heterocondition.
Heterocondition, it's like actually as per tri-origin. This is, you can associate with fire, very powerful energy, fire energy. Yes. So weak organ means, weak deficiency means it needs hetero power or fire energy, strong power.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Yes, please. You can ask if you have any question.
Sushma ji.
Hello.
Yes.
Good evening, ma'am. Ma'am, I wanted to know if there's any treatment through seed therapy for the hand tremors and shaking of head.
Start doing brain points. All fingertips have brain points.
Okay, which seed to
Yes.
use on?
So we have, constitutional treatment, 6-key treatment, triadjuvant treatment, but from beginner's point of view, attend nervous system point, brain point, and if you can find the painful point on spinal cord.
So brain points. So which seed we will use in that?
Yes, you can use green lentil. You can use sprouted seeds.
Okay.
Parul Maruji.
Thanks, ma'am.
Hello, ma'am. For cholesterol, you had given me that green dots. So can I use this red chili in the night?
Liver, work on liver more. Of course, heart also, but work on liver. Yes, you can use red chili seeds. You can use sprouted seeds on liver points. For cholesterol, work on liver points and heart point. Of course, diet and exercise.
Yeah, ma'am, I have one more question. Actually, I'm suffering from IBS diarrhea since a very many years. So how to stop that diarrhea?
Ginger, apply ginger on this lowest phalange of this finger.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you so much.
It's very good ginger and also this black pepper.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
These seeds have medicinal property. You see, you have to understand that sometimes I'm talking with 6-key consciousness and sometimes from medicinal property point of view.
Thank you, ma'am.
Sunita ji. We cannot hear you, Sunita ji. Naveen Chandran.
Yes, madam. This black-eyed seeds in brown color, can it be used? It looks black-eyed seeds. Indeed, it's called chawli, dried chawli.
Voice is not clear, please. Can you speak once again?
Black-eyed seeds.
Black with seed? After black, what did you say?
Black eye. Eyes. EYE, eyes. Shape of eye.
Yes, for eyes. Yes.
Can it be used for ear also? For ear.
Yes, you can use for ear also. Yes.
It is brown color. It is a brown color and it looks shape of ear. It has got shape of ear.
Yes, you can use this.
Yeah, in Hindi it is called dried chawli. In the Hindi, it is called chawli.
Seed name.
Yes.
Yeah, in Hindi, it is called as dry chawli.
Dry chawli. Okay. I have not tried this seed, but you can try. I have not tried this.
Yeah, I have not seen it in your seed box. but it is slightly lesser, smaller in size than kidney bean.
Oh,
I
this
can show
one.
you right now.
In my seed box, I have kidney beans.
Yeah, it is smaller than that.
Okay, we just say kidney beans. These are kidney beans. And you can
I
use,
can-
yes, I understood now. Very small,
correct.
very small size. Yes, it also has ear shape. Oh, yes.
Yes, brown color.
Yes, very
brown
good.
and white. It is available in brown color as well as white color.
Okay. So you can, because you are
send you
focusing
the photo.
shape criteria.
Yeah, shape is like.
Very good.
Correct.
Because, you know, when we are using seeds, we have to keep these things in our mind. Is it shape criteria or color criteria, or we can say properties like medicinal property like this, and color criteria means wind color, heat color, hotness, humidity, dryness, coldness color. So from color point of view, and then from shape, like, yes. So that's this has very good absorption. So this has ear shape. You can use, yes, you can.
Sushma ji, Sushma Bensal.
Namaste, ma'am. Ma'am, when we are applying ginger on the insect correspondence, is the size has to be exact, or can it be bigger or
Bigger or smaller little bit, but it is understood that if it is very small, then it will not hit the point. If it is big, it is not convenient. So it is good that we do artistic work.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am.
Mary Kusumam, Ernakulam. Please unmute yourself.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening.
Ma'am, a 2-year-old baby girl having a high body temperature. What's the reason how it is treated, ma'am?
Once again, please.
2-year-old baby girl. She's having a high body temperature. Always.
High body temperature. High body temperature.
Yeah.
Oh, maybe because of changing season?
No, he's always having like that.
Always?
We feel very warm.
Oh, did you show to doctor?
No, doctor said it's not problem like that. It was always like that. We don't know why, how it comes.
But, you know, maybe some inflammation is there inside the body. It is very important that you know, get...
But there is a one symptom, here under eye, it's some swelling in the under eye in the morning.
And every day morning swelling comes?
Not every day morning, but it seems, often it seems.
Okay, because you see, baby cannot speak, but yes, what you can do in this is mini system, top is mini system.
Yes,
so just try to you can for baby you can just put fenugreek seed in little finger. This you can cover this upper phalanx because we don't know the reason. We don't know the reason. We have to go for medical checkups, and then we can treat accordingly that point. So at least you start doing mini system, this little both hand, little finger, this top phalanx.
Fully cover.
Fully cover after a little bit massage because small baby.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
As the last question, this is from the chat box. One person is asking how to apply walnut seed for the brain problem. Walnut seed.
Walnut seed.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. At present, I don't have walnut seed in my box, but please, you can ask this question in next class. I will bring walnut seed and I will show practically how to put.
Then we can go for one more question, ma'am. That is Miran Moidin.
Miran
Moidin want to ask one question.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening.
If we have a chronic disorder in the nose, like nose itching, sneezing, wheezing,
allergic condition.
Allergic sinusitis, like thing. So in this case, if we request the patients to do for 6 hours per day, how long days they have to focus on the treatment, and if they going to if they are the housewife, how they will maintain the treatment, and as well if they are going to a job, how they will maintain it for every day 6 hours.
Yes, so better is that evening time after finishing your work or dinner, you can apply these seeds. Buckwheat seed you can apply on fingertips like before sleeping after finishing all your work. So this sinusitis according to insect system. Yes, so this this area has this, you see, this area has sinus points, and massage this area, and you can, example I'll show. Buckwheat seeds. Massage, and you can cover this area.
This is mini system. This is mini system, ma'am?
No. Finger system. Then all tips before sleeping, after doing massage, you fix all these seeds, and also, you know, till the time you go to sleep, you just keep pressing from time to time. Pressing is also very important, because then night you will sleep and you will not get opportunity to press. So after dinner, you keep pressing, and then you sleep. Next day morning, you can remove, and you will see the result. And how many days? Again, it depends from patient to patient. Chronic cases, even you see the result, I recommend that you should continue this treatment for a few days, because it is a very chronic disease.
And is here, do we need to place particularly this buckwheat seed, or any other seed also works?
Yes, you can, because black pepper, again, black pepper is also good, though it has heterocharacter, but its medicinal property can treat many diseases. So you can change also. One day buckwheat, second day, or maybe on this hand, black pepper. So this kind of combination you can do.
So we have to keep hetero seeds.
Black pepper, no, I did not say from this hetero point of view. I said from medicinal property point of view.
So black pepper has the medicinal character.
Yes.
And buckwheat won't come under medical thing.
Yes.
Does it comes in hetero?
Voice is very...
Does that buckwheat seed, does it comes in hetero?
Buckwheat seed, from energy point of view, it comes under dryness energy. And sinusitis, all these, you know, this is like this is hetero condition. So buckwheat seed is very good for all these inflammations and this hyperactivity.
Oh, thank you.
And black pepper, at the same time, of course, it has hetero property, but its medicinal property is more powerful.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
One Mr. Atul Mishra is writing so many times as, ma'am, for chronic bile fistula, which seed we have to use?
Okay, black pepper, see, I'll show after doing massage. Piles. See, for black pepper, make a chain. I'll show just now. Just a moment. and then cover this area. Of course, you have to do massage, and then pressing this way every day, both hands.
Smile, thank you, ma'am. Smile, thanks to all participants also. With this, we can wind up today's session. We will meet again next Monday through this Monday series. That will be the seat therapy day 4. Smile, thank you.
Thank you,
Smile.
Lalita ma'am. Thank you, Bhupinder ma'am. Thank you. Namaste.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Namaste.
Namaste.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so
Thank you,
much.
ma'am. Thank you very much.
Thank you very
Thank you,
much.
ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you, Lord.
Bye bye.